the two tools that I'm building is the first one is Cloudy Code. So Cloudy Code I'm using is for the raw implementation. So for example, I have some ideas, so I start to write code and I get the result. So that's really helpful at the beginning process.
Yeah.
But when I want to creating much more structure, I have mentions about strict to the architecting layer about the domain driven design. So I choose one more tools. It is Kiro. So Kiro is a different kind of tools.
Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in today for another episode of The Build a Story. In today's episode, we have someone very special joining with us from Indonesia. He's a builder, he's an architect, and he's also a very passionate individual about telemetry. Dwi, welcome to the show.
Hello everyone, it's me Denni.
Dwi, if you can tell us a little bit about yourself, who you are, what you do, and how did you get into technology?
Most of people in the community know my name is also Dwi Denni. I started my career as a software engineer, and at some points I transitioned into infrastructure roles. And honestly, that's when everything it's clicked to me, and also I'm enjoying and patience about the infrastructure. I've been in this industries is for about 15 years, and today I fully work full time as founder and also developer for Telemetry Flow.
Especially in Indonesia, the startups are booming as well. A lot of startups that are coming up, so we can deep dive a little bit more about Telemetry Flow, what it does as well later. Dwi, you mentioned most of people in the community knows you as DF Denni. If you can tell us a little bit about how did you start your AWS community journey?
Actually, I start from the open source, so I contribute as a maintainer in one of famous, I can say famous open source repository named by Laradoc. It's a Docker-based development environment for Laravel. It became quite more popular in PHP community right now. And through that work, I deeply understanding about how containers and cloud native tooling, especially when I see the opportunity about AWS Community Builder, and then I joining the program. And after that, I recognize, Alhamdulillah, recognize and by the community in the container technologies category and also the cloud infrastructure.
Dwi has been speaking at some of the AWS summits as well, which is a big deal. And then I still remember Dwi, the first talk that you gave a couple of years ago that you were preparing. I think that was right after pandemic. We had Serena back then who was like helping you out with things as well. So yeah, you have had a fantastic journey, and then also you have been an inspiration to the rest of the community in Indonesia. So you built something called the telemetryflow.id, and you're the founder of it. Is this an app? Is this a SaaS? What is this product and what does it do?
Telemetry Flow, this is an enterprise, or I can say community enterprise grade, the observability platform that I've been building these tools. It's around 5 months ago, and the core problem from the observability is, observability having so much of many of tools, and most engineering is using various kind of tools, different tools that can help to visibility the system. So this telemetry flow is born to unify all of those kind of tools into a single platform. And one more things about the telemetry flow, it because this is the community enterprise grade, and also built from the Open Telemetry SDK and also Open Telemetry communities. It is 100% Open Telemetry or OTLP compliance, yeah, across all the observability components like metrics, logs, trace. That's really yeah, instrumented with the Open Telemetry, can connect to all telemetry. I mean, yeah, can integrated easy the integrations if we are using the same OTLP or connections. That's yeah, really not vendor locking in the futures. Yeah, and then this Open Telemetry flow is also building from the ground level. I mean, with the native RBAC, yeah, across. Yeah, we have different point of view of the region, organizations, workspace, and tenancy. So it will be multi-tenancy platform and across the level of observability, and also we use ClickHouse as a data source to unify all the telemetry and also the analytics in the back end. So that's why this very helpful for us, especially for the community and engineering, to have some engagement or to have some implementations in the telemetry.
When you started building the SaaS application, what is your stack?
I prefer Nest.js, Nest.js at the back end. For the front end, I'm using the Vue.js. For the back end itself, having some methodologies like domain-driven design or DDD pattern and CQRS. That's will be creating a modularity about the platform itself. And also when we talk about the monolithic and also microservices, so that will be unified on them. ClickHouse and Postgres as the storage or database. Also, we have testing in numerous kind of virtual machines and also cloud provider. For example, right now we are using the EKS or Amazon EKS Kubernetes, and along with the CI/CD pipeline, I'm using the Docker, the Helm chart, and also kubespare or Ranger, for example, like that. And those documentation also building from on the top of Markdown, so you can see on the repository in the docs folder. You can have a better understanding what is this platform. Yeah, and I'm also using the Mermaid to having a good diagram visibilities, and in the diagram I'm also including how the diagram state and also the diagram sequence. It means that when building something, you will know about the roadmap of what we want to do and what is and how to implement. So that's why documentation is also important of this building.
Can you tell me what did you like most about building Telemetry Flow? Now that you're a founder, you're building your own things, and then there's no team behind you, you're doing this by yourself. So what did you like the most about building this platform?
I built this with the strictly to the domain-driven design and CQRS pattern. It means that building this within the consistency architecting layer. So that's why it helped me to reducing complexity. Why this let's say it will be jump into another framework, another thing. So I stopped from those steps, and
Mhm.
I create my own approach. Yeah, and again, when I built this, I am also using the EI as assistance, something like uh, knowledge base. Yeah, using the knowledge base with the architecting layer, and the AI give me consistencies, yeah, across all the modules, right?
Mhm.
And also when I built this, more productive. Yeah, I mean the two tools that I'm building is the first one is Cloudy Code. So Cloudy Code I'm using is for the raw implementation. So for example, I have some ideas, so I start to vibe code, and I get the result. So
Hmm.
that's really helpful at the beginning process.
Yeah.
But when I want to creating much more structure, yeah, I have mentions about strict to the architecting layer about the domain driven design. So
Yeah.
I choose one more tools. It is Kiro. So Kiro is a different kind of tools. These tools can be much more productive. I mean, when I want to build something like more structure, more
Hmm.
fundamentals, so I'm not using the five code, right?
Hmm.
So I'm using the spec driven, or I'm using the knowledge base,
Hmm.
yeah, like I said before, uh, writing into some specifications. There will be something like requirements,
Hmm.
and also limitations, and architecting layer, and conventions, for example, like that. So I put that as a spec driven, yeah,
Hmm.
as or a specs documentation. Between them, yeah, the two tools will be synchronized together. So I really enjoy about this. When
Yeah.
something goes wrong, I will use the Cloudy Code to fixing the bug. But when reviewing the bug or coding, I will use the Kiro. So I think I have two kind of assistants, not front end, back end, but also entire company. So I can say like that. Yeah. So yeah, that's really interesting about kind of assistance EI right now. Also, the important things when I built this around 5 months,
Hmm.
uh, I use these tools, and I have 60 comprehensive guidance. Yeah, a lot of code example. Yeah,
Wow.
I can say 500 plus examples
Wow.
of code. Yeah, that's including the unit testing, end-to-end testing, other things, between 36 modules. So
Hmm.
yeah,
Wow.
every modules I built end-to-end testing, unit testing, and everything testing that comes to those implementations. And also I give more documentations using the mermaid diagram, and
Yeah.
that's in my statistic is more than 40 diagrams. I can say this one, and perhaps this is the most important lessons about using the EI assistance. So EI assistance will amplify your architecting and amplify your skill of code, but they cannot replace yourself. It because you have to drive them, right? So this is the important lessons that I have right now.
Of course, you are doing this as a business. Can you explain a little bit about like how the business model works? Who are you targeting to sell this product?
I'm using approach. A business model is open source. According to my plan, yeah, I will support the tiers, the open source model business tiers, and I'm also planning to having some SaaS platform models, but
Hmm.
this is targeting to the organizations with
Mhm.
perhaps the existing one, they have some fully managed observability tools, and compared to I built right now, so that uh, I think I can reducing overhead, the ROE. So that's why I propose this to organization level. And after, I can say my first year I will focusing on market in Indonesia, and perhaps I can get the Asian's market, so the much bigger than Indonesia.
If someone wants to build like a SaaS application, just like you, how you're building, what are some of the advices do you have?
So I have 4 points. The first thing is giving a standardizations before sophistication. Before you think about the AI, machine learning, or any kind of advanced technologies, intelligence on top of your platform, ensure that you building the right format or right fundamentals, the standardization, and ensure your data is clean and consistent. The second thing is when you build something product, you have to deal with the UI or user interface is the first impressions of your audience. It feels like you are in your home, like that. I can say so, because the UI interface, it will help you to analyze, right? Giving you, for example, easy to get the informations in the UI level. So I do have some comparisons about this study or benchmarking the telemetry flow compared to other platform like Grafana, Signals, and Hypertext, and that's quite a good UI interface, and that's why UI is important, and get things that informations will be have. I mean, you will deal with the complexities with those kind of visualizations, and how you can answer those issues within your visualization. That's why that's the very important of taking place of the UI. The third thing is open source is, I can say, long game. It means that when you build something on the top of open source, you don't have to be in rush. You don't have to expect that will be success in overnight, right? So you don't have to making your underestimate yourself. I mean, for example, when you are building the open source, you will get the feedback. Perhaps the code is messy, the code is not good, or perhaps your code will be not secure. So that's why you have to release them in genuinely and respect other people. That will be feedback from your code, and also you will learn from the community. So that's why the open source, it's taking a long game. You have to be patient on that. The last thing is, because you are building in the public, right? You are using the open source, so don't be over claim or overthinking also, because we know about the engineering. I from other persons that can have some feedback to you, and that's really will increasing your abilities, and also increasing your how to review your code, and again and that will make consistency about your building. And again, when you build something to the open community, so you build also the trust for the community also. And this is the important thing also. When you release to the public, you will having some battle tested. That's why community is very helpful for you. So don't shy to let release your code and get the review from others. Yeah.
Thanks, Dwi, for sharing a lot of information, insights about your platform. So, Dwi, if someone who's watching who wants to get in touch with you,
so you can reach me by LinkedIn also. You can reach on github.com/telemetryflow, or you can visit my website in telemetryflow.id.
thanks so much, Dwi, for joining for today's show. I'm sure the viewers have got a lot of learnings from what you had to share, and we wish you all the very best and good luck in your startup journey. And then we hope to see you expand across the ASEAN region.
Thank you, Safras.